students, welcome to the chapter time series. Students, in the previous session we have solved examples on 3 yearly moving averages. Students, in today's session, so I'm going to solve examples on 5 yearly moving averages. So let us take the example on 5 yearly moving averages. Just read out the question. Find 5 yearly moving averages for the following time series data. In the first column, year is given from 2009 to 2018. Next column, profit in thousand. So 2009 profit is 100, 2010's profit is 80. So like this, 2018's profit is 50. Students, here you have to find these examples by 5 yearly moving averages. Students, for odd number the method is everything is same. So here in the first column you have to write year, then profit, next 5 yearly moving total, the last column trend values. For 3 yearly moving averages we have to take 3 values. For 5 yearly moving averages we have to take 5 values total, then for trend values divided by 5. The method is same, just for 5 yearly moving averages we are taking the 5 values, for trend values divided by 5. See the solution. So here period of moving averages is 5 years. So find 5 yearly moving totals and divide these totals by 5. First column year, then profit, next column 5 yearly moving sum, then trend values. Students, for 5 yearly moving total, here you have to leave first 2 values and last 2 values empty. For 5 yearly moving averages, in the third column 5 yearly moving sum, we have to leave first 2 rows empty and the last 2 rows empty. So now we solve the examples. First you have to take the 5 values, 100 plus 80 plus 92 plus 76, 1 2 3 4, then 62, 5 values. Okay, is 410. You leave this first 100, again take the 5 values. So 1 2 3 4 5. So add these 5 values. Okay, so total is 380. Next leave 80, again take 5 values. So 1 2 3 4 5. So after adding these values, total is 350. Next leave this third value, again take 5 values. So 1 2 3 4 5. So these 5 values, after adding these 5 values, total is 318. Next leave this value, again like this you have to take 5 values total. Okay, so like this you have to add these values. So after finding the 5 yearly moving sum, for trend value you have to divide it by 5. 410 divided by 5 is 82. 380 divided by 5 is 76. 350 divided by 5 is 70. 318 divided by 5 is 63.6. So 287 divided by 5 is 57.4. 275 divided by 5 is 55. So now this completes the example. So this is 5 yearly moving averages. Here students, see the values. Suppose if you write the comment is, here the values are in the form of decreasing order. So decreasing order means which trend it is. If the values are in the form of decreasing order, it is downward trend. Students, so detailed calculation is available here. You can refer this. Okay students, calculation procedure. So from here you have to take 5 values, 100 plus 80 plus 92 plus 76 plus 62, 5 values, 410. Then again leave 100, next take 5 values, 80 plus 92 plus 76 plus 62 plus 70, 380. Again leave 80, next take 5 values. 80, 92 plus 76 plus 62 plus 70 plus 50, 350. Okay students, so here the calculation procedure is available. You can refer this, how to add these values, then how to find out the trend values. You can refer this. Okay students, we'll solve So one more example on this. Find trend values by 5 yearly moving averages for the following time series. So first column year is given, next column value. From year 2000 to 2008, value for 2000 value is 10, like this. For 2008's value is 50. So for this we have to find the 5 yearly moving total. So you know the procedure. First year, then value you have to write it. Next, third column heading 5 yearly moving sum, then 5 yearly moving averages or trend values. Okay. So first you have to take this 10, then add 5 values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First you have to add these 5 values. So again leave 10, then take 5 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again leave this 15. Next take 5 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again leave this 18. Again take 5 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again leave this 21. Take 5 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this you have to add 5 values total. So after adding, so this is a 5 yearly moving sum. To find out the trend values, so for these values you have to divide it by 5. Okay students, 89 divided by 5 is 17.8. 109 divided by 5 is 21.8. 127 divided by 5 is 25.4. 149 divided by 5 is 29.8. 178 divided by 5 is 35.6. Students, so this is 5 marks examples. Now complete the solution. Okay students, with this, in the next class, so I am going to solve. So the 2 odd numbers are completed, that is 3 yearly and 5 yearly. So one more method is left, that is for even number 4 yearly moving averages. Students, in the next class, so I am going to solve 4 yearly moving averages, that is even number. Okay, thank you students.